what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited to be doing another one of my favorite kinds of videos. I think that most people can agree that Urban Outfitters home decor is actually so nice and so Pinterest worthy, and the aesthetic is just so, just what I'm all about. So all that being said, I've been teasing a little bit on my Instagram stories that I'm actually going to be doing an entire living room makeover. So today we're going to be heading into our thrift store. We're going to be thrifting and DIYing a bunch of different home decor, make it look very Urban Outfitter-esque. Hopefully we're going to find ourselves some really good dupes that I can recreate and style in my space. So I actually already have a Pinterest board for it, you already know, and I went ahead and I pinned a bunch of different things, colors and styles that I've really been loving and I want to fill up my space with. And with that, I am right away off to the furniture section because I know that sometimes really cool vintage furniture gets picked up so easily, so without even starting my hunt, I'm like right away just heading on there. Just recording a voiceover for a couple parts in the video because it was getting so loud at the thrift store, but I found this incredible table. It was a beautiful beige color and it was so giving me that like boho feel that I would definitely see on Urban Outfitters, and you'll see a bit more of this table later on in the video. Just found these and they are so cool. They're literally already prepared. Twinkly fairy light bottles, definitely something I've been seeing on Urban Outfitters. Very easy to even recreate for yourself. They're $5.99, so I'm definitely gonna grab those. No joke, I'm pretty sure I saw this exact same piece on the Urban Outfitters website, so I'm definitely gonna be picking it up because it is so pretty. And then here's another piece that kind of gives off that same vibe, but definitely more luxurious and Victorian. I love this little frame, such a nice little accent to add in and throw in as decor. And then there's this like little mirror as well, but it has like the coolest shape. I really like it. So I'm in the book section right now, and something that I always tell everybody to keep an eye out for when they go to the thrift store is books with specific color hardcovers. Look for books and look at the internal spine hardcover color. So most people may not realize it, but most of these books that have that plastic lining right underneath, they actually have like really nice white clear covers. I specifically, to match my color theme, keep my eye out for white books, gray books, cream color books, and black books. So right here is an example of a gray one. Look at that beautiful lettering. Honestly, on the inside, these books are so aesthetically pleasing and so beautiful. Buy 4, get 1 free. So I'm probably gonna pick myself up 10 books right now as decor pieces for my bookshelf. Seriously guys, look at this. I found a perfect dupe for a salt rock lamp on Urban Outfitters right now, even in the same base color. Salt rocks are really good to have in the house, so I'm happy about this one. Oh, heavy. You know how expensive baskets can get, or like home goods and such, and there's so many different basket options in all shapes and sizes. Just make sure to give them a good clean and disinfect them with some Lysol wipes and some alcohol. And I just found this really beautiful, I don't know if this is twine. I have to learn my vocabulary, my apologies. It's $3.99. It's this amazing little basket that I can honestly use it in my kitchen as a mini fruit platter, or even to put it to decorate my stands. So another one of my favorite sections is the wooden decor, and here I actually found a couple plates that I can throw around my house and just use to kind of catch like my jewelry or my keys if I just want to leave it in the house someday. And these shelves as well, they are not the cutest color, but I can actually spray paint them and repurpose them to make them really good aesthetic looking floating shelves in the room. Ooh, I love these like little wooden kind of candlesticks. Definitely bring back that rustic vibe that I'm looking for. And they're only $1.99 each, and I love that they actually have a little bit of height, so these are amazing. And even this little decor piece, I love the coloring of this. I love the glass. I feel like it's still something that's current, so the fact that I found it at a thrift store right now is insane. And something else that I really love to check out is frames. I feel like the whole rustic looking frames is so coming back right now, and there's a bunch of these like really beautiful frames that I can easily either have my own print, or I'm even thinking of getting some dried up flowers and putting it on a white background. I think that would look so pretty. So I love this one. It has such beautiful details along the sides, so I'm gonna grab it. And even mixing the kind of metals, like this kind of bronzy exterior, is also really pretty. Look at this like beautiful plate right here. I don't know if the camera's picking up the color properly. It's actually more yellow than it looks, but I love this little pattern. It kind of looks like a sun. I can use this as a little display tray or even to serve food. It's so pretty. And then a couple more of the home decor pieces I found. One is another one of those circle mirrors. I'm telling you, I'm seeing these so much on Urban Outfitters right now. I found this little wall decor wooden piece that I thought would be cool to spray paint as well. And on top of that, I found this incredible already gold wing. I thought it was just so Victorian. Definitely something that would make the space look super luxurious. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I'm back home right now, super comfy in my hoodie, and the background's not looking that cute because we haven't started the whole decorating process yet, but I thought I would quickly go ahead and show you guys everything that I hauled. So some of these things actually already went ahead and spray painted, so here's the footage from doing that. Alright, there's snow and it's cold, but it's not gonna stop us from doing these DIYs. Basically, I just laid out a couple of the things right here and over there. Those are gonna be the stuff that we're gonna be painting chalk white, and then these are gonna be the things that we're gonna be getting that one tone gold. Okay guys, so as you see, I just did kind of one layer. Obviously it's not super white, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and do it 2 or 3 more times because that's the best way to kind of get the nicest finish. So yeah, I let everything dry and I actually have some before and after shots to show you guys on how I repurposed this. Keep in mind, we are keeping in tune with this whole Urban Outfitters theme. I definitely wanted to keep everything very simple, so either like white, gold, or like warm tones like oranges and yellows. So that being said, the first thing you guys saw me actually spray paint is these little square shelves. They were originally this heinous like cherry wood color. Not into it at all. I thought that because my walls are actually not white but a little bit of gray, I thought having these up with like some plants inside or something would be super cool. And then I think we're gonna stick to big furniture first, so I'm gonna show you the next big thing that I found, and it's super heavy, but oh my god guys, this table. But I just love like all these little intricate designs, and I just noticed that the trunks of this table are actually meant to be elephants. How cute is that? This little stool or side table definitely bringing back all those boho vibes, and I can't wait to decorate all around it. Oh, I'm so excited about this. All right, next up, I'm actually gonna show you a couple of like the wall decor that I got. A lot of these little things that I got, I actually really liked the shape of them or the design of them, but the color was just kind of like throwing me off. So I thought that spray painting them gold would just add a cohesiveness. So this one you guys already saw, it originally came in this brown color. It was $4.99. The brown would be nicer looking if you're going more for like that farmhouse aesthetic, but I just really wanted to make this super luxurious. I love how shiny it ended up being. And then similar kind of vibe, I found this angel wing. How beautiful is this? It was already gold, but it did have a little bit of like dark shadowing, so I went ahead and did a light spray paint of that gold as well. But I definitely feel like this is something that's gonna give more of like that traditional old English kind of look into the room. So these next 2 items are actually very similar kind of style pieces, and definitely something that I copied pretty much from Urban Outfitters. These little sun like mirror rings. I feel like these are so popular right now. I think Urban Outfitters is selling like a pack of 3 or something, but just these like kind of sun star mirrors are so nice to put as like little decor. I actually have something very similar like this in my studio upstairs. This one was originally in like that dark rust bronze color, and I went ahead and spray painted it gold. These next to each other could look so nice on the wall. $3 for each of these things. Amazing finds. Oh, and I forgot one more. So I literally have, I just realized, a set of 3 just like on the Urban Outfitters site. This one is definitely more of like that bronzy antique gold. So this little one, I'm probably gonna go ahead and put it somewhere else. I feel like just the frame of this along with the wing just give off that like Victorian vibe. Please tell me how I found this at the thrift store, because this, how chic is that? I love it. I can't believe I found something like this new at the thrift store. It's just this nice geometric shape, and with these little twinkle lights inside the light bulb, it really looks like that Edison light bulb that's super popular right now. Definitely on one of my shelves as a decor piece, it would look so nice. Golden candlesticks. I've been seeing this photo on Urban Outfitters, and they're just like so gorgeous and lustrous. This just really gives me like Beauty and the Beast vibe. It really reminds me of that guy, you know, the candlestick that talks. But I really like these. I feel like they'll be a really nice decor piece too, and each of these were just $2.99, so $5 for this set. Worth it. What's this called? Does this have a name, guys? Let me know down below. But I feel like this is so beautiful. I love the fact that the sand is like a beige color because it just matches with the aesthetic that I have going on in the room. Yes, it was $20. Guys, Canadian thrift stores are a little ridiculous lately, but I got it for 50% off, so 10 bucks. So even though it's a little bit pricey, it definitely looks like an expensive piece, but it would be such a nice decor piece to kind of put on like any kind of end table or coffee table or something, and it's just kind of really addicting to look at. This one I thought was really cool. It's just a little @ symbol bookend. And speaking of bookend, guys, I forgot to show you my books. I told you guys at the thrift store, when you remove those plastic covers, you can actually have some really beautiful aesthetic looking books. I mean, how stunning are these? I went ahead and focused on colors like beige, white, gray, and black. Imagine this like styled on a shelf. Each of these books I think were around $2.99, and it was buy 4 get 1 free, so definitely worth it. I found this. I think maybe it's meant to be a coaster, but I think I could definitely use it as some kind of decor piece to elevate a couple of things in the room. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just super cool and textured, and I love this kind of like gold underlay that it has going on. I got a couple of these little wooden plates as well. I feel like to throw them around would be nice. I'm the kind of person that I like throw my rings and my jewelry. Every time I take it off, I like throw it anywhere. So having these little trays to kind of catch things, like I could put my keys in here, would be really nice too. I think each of these were like $1.99 also. Guys, I am flipping shit because I actually saw this identical thing on Urban Outfitters. Like exactly the same. And this was like $1.99 or $2.99 or something. how beautiful. These like little salt crystals are so popular right now, and I can't believe that I found this at a thrift store. Like, what the heck? A really nice decor piece, but I actually heard that salt rocks are just good energy things to have in the house, and it's actually perfect to go with my little salt rock lamp. And you guys saw I thrifted this one as well. It's so beautiful. I'm a little dumb because I washed it and I forgot that it's salt, so it kind of started to dissolve a little bit, so I gotta clean it up a bit here. But I actually went ahead and spray painted the bottom gold because I just feel like it would match my aesthetic so much more. But I just love the color of this. These two little picture frames I also picked up. I just thought they give off a nice vintage aesthetic to throw around the house. So this one just kind of has like a little bronze frame, and then this one is definitely more of a true gold. Probably gonna take some of my favorite Polaroids and stick them in here with like a white background. I think that would look super nice. Definitely having a little bit of a celestial moment here because this just reminds me of like a big beautiful sun. I think that this would be so nice to like style a coffee table and put some things here on top. And I told you I really want to go ahead and add some more warm tones because we have a gray couch and gray floors and gray walls. And then I actually found this little vase, which I thought was super cool as well. I got this because I already know how I want to style it. IKEA sells these little kind of like eucalyptus leaves, and I really love the tone of them. They're kind of like a nice muted sagey green because orange and green are actually contrast colors. They actually look so nice together, and I just love how narrow it is right here because it keeps all the little sprigs very taut and together. So I'm gonna throw this into any corner that I feel like needs some warmth and some greenery. But I saw this one and I thought that it would be perfect to put on a little side table or a coffee table, throw in some things in here, maybe our TV remote, all that kind of stuff, kind of like a bigger bowl to catch the things that are just thrown around the house. And then the last little thing I want to show you guys, which you saw in the vlog, are these little wooden candlesticks. They honestly just look like little tree trunks, and I really like that because my shelf is actually very gray and cool. Adding a couple of these decor pieces would be really nice also. And I do have tea light candles, so I can always put a little white tea light candle in there. These were $1.99 each, so really nice, and just a nice little piece to add on the shelf as well. Alright guys, that is everything that I picked up for this haul, and I am so excited in my next video to go ahead and use all these pieces to decorate my space, make my background look a little bit cuter. I hope that I convinced you guys that you can head on into your local thrift stores, and most of the time you can find a lot of really good Urban Outfitter dupes. Hope you guys are excited for this room makeover. There's a couple DIYs that I didn't include in this video that I'm going to include in that one because this one's going to be too long. So if you're excited to see that, be sure you're subscribed down below, and also hit the little notification bell to get notified as soon as that room makeover video goes live. And also follow me on Instagram for outfit inspo as well as home inspo, because recently I'm playing around with posting some more like home decor things on my Instagram, and you guys have really been liking it, so I'm happy about that. Love you all so much. Can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!